Did you know that what you think is true love is actually temporary brain chemistry that expires in 18 months? Scientists have discovered that romantic idealization has a biological countdown timer. During the first 12 to 18 months, your brain literally shuts down critical thinking about your partner. Elevated dopamine and norepinephrine flood your system while serotonin drops dramatically. This is the exact same chemical pattern found in people with obsessive-compulsive disorder. You're essentially experiencing temporary insanity, but calling it love. Here's the brutal truth. Couples who marry before 18 months have significantly higher divorce rates. They're not marrying a real person, they're marrying a chemical hallucination. Your brain creates a perfect version that doesn't actually exist. Real compatibility can only be assessed after this neurological fog finally lifts. If your relationship can't survive past month 18, it was never built on genuine connection. It was just your brain playing tricks on you.